Hello guys, welcome to tophostingindia.com YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you how to take website backup from cPanel. First you need to log in on Top Hosting India backend panel. After that you need to click on cPanel, and in website part you need to download three type of backup file. First is your database, and after that your all file and your full back. So I am telling you one by one. After login cPanel, you need to click on file manager. You will see public underscore folder. You need to right click on this and you need to compress it, GIF, and compress. It will take some time. After that you can download this file. We can wait for this. Now I am telling you how to take backup of your database. You need to click on backup. After that drag below and you will find two database here, and suppose you have one or two or three, you can see all of database below. Just you need to click on this and your database file will auto download, and it will ask for where you want to save this. You can download according to your choice. Suppose I am going to download this file to desktop. Say first part is clear in your laptop, and public underscore folder is also compressed. You can close this, and after that you need to download this file. First you need to click on this, and after that you can download this file to your PC, so that whenever your website got crash or something else, or there is hacking issue or any other issue, you will find. You can give these file to your server provider who can help you with these file. When you will provide these file to your data center, they will live your website according to your data save date. And third part is, after that you can delete this file from server because it take lot of space in server. Third part is, when you click on backup, you can click on download a full backup account. You need to click on generate. When this file is generated, then cPanel auto send you backup completion email. Now I am clicking here. It will also take some time. Now I am going in file manager again. You will find here that backup file. This one take around 10 to 15 minutes to generate full backup, because it's generating your website files, emails and database. All these are including in one file, but I have shown you the option because this file take more time to download. Now this file is also ready. It will take around only 10 to 15 minutes, but right now client have less data of 500 MB disk space, so it's created in 2 minutes. Hope you like our video. Thanks for watching tophostingindia.com tutorials.